At MM Engineering AMCO, we are dedicated to protecting your environment, ensuring a cleaner, healthier future for everyone. But what about the environment inside you? Introducing our 7-day Neem Detox, a natural way to rejuvenate your body from within. Day 1 begins your journey to a cleaner you. By day 2, you'll feel the start of blood cleansing. On day 3, experience improved digestion and a sense of relief. Day 4 brings stronger immunity for you and your family. By day 5, enjoy the confidence of clearer, glowing skin. Day 6 helps you feel lighter with better weight and sugar balance. And on day 7, you'll feel completely detoxed and refreshed. Remember to use only half a spoon daily and consult a doctor if needed. It's MM Engineering AMCO, protecting your environment inside and out. Like, share, and subscribe for more.